Welcome, English friends. In this episode of In the House, you will learn vocabulary about kitchen appliances. Ready? Let's go. This is the kitchen, the area where you cook and maybe eat as well. Appliances are the things that we use in the kitchen for certain tasks. When you hear appliance, think of power. These items usually need to be plugged in or powered by a battery. Stove top. This is used to cook food in pans or pots. It is on top of the oven. This is the oven. It is used to bake food, like cakes, for example. This is the refrigerator. We use this word to refer to the entire appliance that we use to preserve our food. Here, the right side is used for cold items like milk or eggs. We call this side refrigerator or fridge. The left side is called freezer. We use this word to refer to the part of the refrigerator where we keep frozen items like ice cream. Remember, the entire appliance is called refrigerator. The side where we keep cold food is also called refrigerator, and the side where we keep frozen food is called freezer. This is the microwave. It is used to reheat your food when it is cold. These are other appliances you may find in a kitchen: coffee maker, blender, toaster, electric kettle, air fryer, stand mixer. We also have a hand mixer and a toaster oven. Okay, friends, thanks for watching with me today. Stay tuned for episode 2. In that episode, I will talk about cookware, tableware, and utensils. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.